brought up in the banking industry. I moved to New York City after college. I went to a credit training program. I became a commercial banker, and then I became a construction lender. And as I interfaced on the debt side with developers, I always thought, wow, I would really like to be on that side of the table.
What makes PMG unique is really the people or the culture. You know, from Kevin on down, every single person in this company, whether it's the 23-year-old or the 45-year-old, has input.
I think the point of development is to constantly challenge yourself. We want to reinvent ourselves constantly. We don't want to be the biggest developer in the world or in the country, and we don't want to be, the richest developer in the country. We just want to be the best.
Today, we essentially do only ground-up development, typically urban infill, and typically 50 stories and above.
Our major strengths as a company is the ability to identify trends and demographic shifts and appropriately design and identify opportunities in the areas in which we feel are going to grow in the future.
We want to look back, at least I do, I know Kevin and Dan do, 20, 30, 40 years from now and say, yes, we did great as a development company, but man, look at those buildings, and the people are happy, and we have a great reputation, and they held their value. And to do all that, it's challenging. Being the best, or however you want to define that, means that you are the most current, or in fact, you're ahead of the curve. You're introducing stuff that doesn't exist currently in the market. I could tell every buyer, your unit is good because the designer is actually a good person, and the marketing department marketed well because they care. And because they care, your building is built better. It's something so intrinsic that a buyer would never see.
When PMG goes and looks to acquire a specific property, knowing that we have a staple of incredibly well-capitalized, highly institutionalized capital partners, whether it be on the lending side or on the equity side, gives us incredible confidence to know that we'll always have the ability to move forward and produce what we told the market we're going to produce. We intend to be in at least 15 markets over the next 10 years.
We have a reputation to protect, and we predicate our entire company off a reputation.
So I'd like to see our company grow, 200-300% over the next 10 years and just do more of the same.